Hey! Don't you see I'm trying to film? What? You're not coming in the pool today. Oh, it's 10 minutes. Damn. I thought I fixed my canoe. G'day guys. The plan today was to take the canoe out to a sneaky hole and get some big bass. But my canoe still leaks, so we didn't risk it. We're going to do a land base today and we're going to look around a few spots. Find some flood water that's cleared up. You can see here the main creek's still really dirty. So we're going to have to find some sneaky little swamp cuts. There's a lot of water coming down it. It must have got rain again last night. Oh, big carp there. No planes, no cars, no bikes, no rubbish, no smoking, no dogs, no tents, no bushfires, no golf, no dog poo. Fair enough. Smooth road. Where does it go? Let's see if they've still got a padlock on this gate on. Last time I was here, it just had a respect the wildlife sign. There's an open gate. We're getting lazy, we don't want to walk up this hill. Kicked out of there. All these new homes. Sorry boys, private property. Wow, look at the red lotus flowers. That's beautiful. Oh, the big koi's in there. Wow, it's full of koi carp. Oh, oh, so badly want to go and get my rod and reel and catch them. All right, Roger. I'm going to target this corner, and then I'm going to go up O'Hara's. Yep. We started with me and Benny the other day.
I was waiting for on the camera too.
Oh, don't worry, man. We're going to get a lot of bass today.
But I just saw that pocket and thought, yeah. As soon as you come over that log, I just stopped.
Camera off, cast back in there. You boofed again. Miss it again. Let's try it. Third time. Strike 3. Can't be that big. There, just there. Oh, that was a big fish. I seen him, he was bloody like that. Damn. Bad Aaron. I got bitten by one of these penny ants when I was a kid. And I had a lump on my foot for 20 years. They did the nastiest bite. They talk about fire ants and that in America. You want to get bit by one of them babies. What's this red over there? Are they deer or cattle in the paddock over there? See them laying down? They're dogs. Oh, they're foxes. Look at them, look. Quick, see them? Are they going to be in the creek or in the quarry? We've got to get over this, Roger, to get up. I just want one cast in here just in case. Oh, there, I would have just ate that. Camera off, I don't know why I did that. This thing's just so full of bass. I should have just left it run. Hey mate? Yeah, I got the crawl on, but I got a little sinker on it. But that thing that hit me before was twice the size of this. How cool is that? Beautiful wild Hawkesbury bass. Miles from the Hawkesbury. Look at that. We're sneaking in. Hey? They're here. It's the beauty about it is, I reckon we keep walking. We know we can come back to these puppies. They're here. Heading there. He's just got up. Red deer? Yeah, I got one here. He's hiding in the trees there. You could shoot him with an arrow. There he goes. I want to get into this pocket at the last of this hole. And then there's, oh, look at him go there. Didn't he go high? Look at that one. Yeah, it shows there's not many people coming down here. Full of deer, full of bass. How good is this? He tried stealing one of my fish earlier. Yeah, that's what happened to me. Go in again. We got complacent with the little one, and then in fact what we know that at the start of this hole we got them all the way through. We got bass. Wrong lure for these conditions, man. That's what it is. We're going to get rain. I don't mind fishing in the rain, it's just shit to film. No, they're just not after these frogs right now. Passing so much good looking water, Roger, but I know what I'm looking for. I think at the end of this hole there's like a cliff drop off. I've got a funny feeling those big fish are going to be sitting on that. With all this water coming down, you'd be in the squeezes more than in the open. But look at all the lily pads.
All the fish we picked up seem to be on that side of the bank that the wind's blowing against.
Yeah, far bank, eh? So I'm sort of hoping up here, and that's the wrong side, but I'm hoping this is where you start getting some big fish. That was so cool. Little gecko. God, he disappeared quick. This is like a little alien. Oh, nice looking undercut. Actually, that's the undercut from hell. There's a big old gum there. Come on. What? This looks good. We're actually in National Park now. Well done. How did I do that? Oh, don't you hate these things, the twist overs? Right there, I'll just see what's in there. Only made it up here. Past all those good fish in the quarry. Hope there's one in here. I have noticed the water's so much colder up here though. Maybe that's why they're down there. That's a swamp cut there, and I can hear heaps of frogs in there. Here's the creek here. I can't hear any frogs. It must make me think that there's some big bass around here somewhere. Has to be. Come on. You know what? I think it's too cold for them. I don't know. I'm not giving up yet. It's a win-win because the quarry's full of them and you got so many ways you can catch them in that quarry. Oops. holes in this creek. If there's no fish here, well then they're all at the quarry. Oh, it does look good though. Yeah. I'm going to go up and check those holes out, I think. Yeah, that's what I can't work out. It seems low. Oh well. Yeah. That's the beauty, and all this road here was under too. That's the beauty about videos. You can come back and have a look at your old footage and see how everything's changed. I'm going to go up and just check these lake holes out. They might be too dirty. These holes we've walked all the way up here for are all muddy. You've got maybe one hole up here that might be out of the mud. Otherwise we've got to sneak back into the quarry. We've walked for miles to get here and the rain's come down. And it's black tea, Roger. Oh, no. Won't be able to film in a second. That's the watercolour we wanted though. Oh no. I think I got the wrong lure on. Cicada country, but it's the wrong day for them. They're having fun. Run straight across this muck pile line. See where that weed stick is? That's, you come up just in front of me on that. He's on the other side of it. Yeah, the bummer. Go out wide and come across. He was a pretty big fish. Little beetle spin or something will get him for sure. I ripped it out before he could actually commit to it. I've just walked around this little black tea hole. I've dropped 3 pretty good fish. All of them aren't committing. I just pulled the one out from here when I didn't have the camera on. I think you might have another go. Weird, isn't it? Yeah, you're boiling up at it. He just, kingfisher, beautiful. He just boiled up at that. He doesn't want it. He almost wants to whack it to kill it. He doesn't want to eat it. I wonder what, apart from a cicada, will he go? He should boil up any second. But that's 3 bass that I've come across and no hookups, but you wouldn't think the bass was alive in here a minute ago. And as soon as that rain stopped, that sort of what brought them a little bit more towy. Come on, have another go. Oh, there's a weird hole, Roger. We've got to work out what they want. I was going back to the quarry hole. Well, we are, but I want to get these out first. Could be just a colour thing. Look, look, look. So the boil, they're right out in the middle of that hole, Roger. He followed it like it was a flying dragonfly. He boiled up on it as it hit the water. Followed it back, but didn't want to commit. Why? Why? Out there. Alright. It's wasting battery life again. That's weird. I've got to find a lure that they want. Before I do though, we'll go and check the rest of this hole out. Frustrating, they won't commit. Ugh. A lovely jungle of lantana. They got short memories with the bushfires, haven't they? Like these national parks are just going to get thick again. Nasty. I know, it's weird that it's almost like they're lashing up in territorial more than eating. I think of something really big. I can't stop thinking about those fish in the quarry holes, so they were too easy. Oh. Oh. You think it's worth trying to poke these out, or just go back?
What's that?
Go back to the quarries.
Yeah, I haven't had it. If I come up here to throw what I've thrown, I think there was nothing there. But you've had a few.
Yeah, well, so over there 3, and that big one you've seen over there. One of them hit like a stock whip, but they just wouldn't commit. Like they're slapping at them, but they're not biting them. I presume that's a wombat hole. Might have found your yeti hole, your yowie hole there, Roger.
Well, no, apparently they're bigger than us.
It's a pretty big hole. We're leaving this God's country so we can get a video, catch some fish. Does look nice, but it's just not as good as down where we started. Borkham Hills Rural Fire Service private, so they own this, the fire brigade.
I'm sorry, but you said it's on the way out.
Yeah, but it's national park. They might own the road. I don't know. Oh, there's one. Oh yeah. Why didn't we just stay here all day? Oh, beautiful golden bass, but I've only got 6-pound leader on. And he's wrapped around that lily pad. Come on, buddy. Swim away. Oh. He was until I lost him. Oh, I can't get that. It's going to snap. Gotcha. 6-pound leader is not what you should be using in this stuff. Oh, I should have landed him, he just wrapped me. I just love the way they smack them through these lilies. It wasn't bad at all. They're half-hearted though. Boil up there, just a bit after that lily pad. There. Yep. Let's get that little fella out. Oh, they train me every time. He's only tiny. Still. I'll take him. Oh, they're just falling off the hook. Nice. I made you walk about 5,000 to 10,000 steps for a waste of time. We come back here and it's full of them. Hey? Yeah.